This is Brittany over at Montgomery Chevrolet, 5325 Preston Highway. I'm a member of the Chevrolet Internet Sales Team. Just wanted to let you know that the 2017 Malibu stock number G8267A that you inquired about is definitely available. It's here, ready to be seen. It is a 1LT Malibu, which is going to be your mid-trim level. This vehicle is like new. It's got very low miles and it still has remaining warranty. It is certified 2017 Malibu 1LT. It's only got 54,000 miles on it, guys. This vehicle will not be here much longer. As you can see, it's got tinted windows. It's in great condition. Tires like new. Come check it out. We're going to be here all week, every day. 502-962-3256 is the number to call. Just look for the huge Chevy sign in the air when you're coming down Preston Highway. And this is what the front of our building looks like. If you have any questions at all, be sure to let us know. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks so much.